afternoon. Right now, you're now in Elmer Manila Taxi YouTube channel. My passenger right now from Vietnam. Okay, you can greet now, sir.
Hello everybody, I'm from Vietnamese.
Yeah, Vietnamese.
Vietnamese.
And then you can speak Vietnam language. Can the people know you are from Vietnam? You can speak Vietnam language.
Xin chào mọi người, mình là người Việt Nam.
Yeah.
Hôm nay rất là vui gặp được một anh chàng lái xe taxi rất là vui tính.
What you speak that? What means? What means? Hello, Philippines.
Yes.
It's the Vietnamese language. What means?
Hello Philippines.
Yeah. And you like the Philippines or in our country? Almost the same in your Vietnam. Your country Vietnam and Philippines almost the same. The food and everything. The food, the chow, chu fan, is different. The food, the eating food.
Eating food.
Yeah, the same. The same to Vietnam. The food, the same. Okay, so bye bye. Say bye bye Philippines. Bye bye.